Many hold the opinion that data governance and management are activities abstracted from the technologies and data patterns they serve. This is somewhat true, but when we look at how technological advances will bring the promise of speed, time to market, machine learning, and AI, the face of data management will change. The data lake pattern is being adopted by larger organizations to solve the widespread problems linked to lack of data consolidation, data standardization, single-source data availability, and process and data change management agility. Data lakes are often solutions built to leapfrog brittle legacy technology with the goal of creating a new, modern data paradigm that can support larger volumes of data at faster rates of ingestion and processing. The most differentiating concept of the lake is its ingestion pattern. A data lake takes large amounts of data as is from source systems, ingests it into a data lake raw zone where data is cataloged, subjected to data quality monitoring, and readied for curation. Unlike the ETL and ESB patterns, the lake stores iterations of originating data as it moves from a raw state through curation and onto a modeled state. Each iteration of the data is an asset that can be served up for data science, business analysis, and advanced analytics. Therefore, using the right iteration of the data requires designating a fit-for-purpose classification such that data can be consumed for the right purpose. Unlike data warehouses that govern a well-established structure, data lakes require governance across every iteration of the data. These are the zones of the lake typically named raw, curated, organized, and for-purpose zones. Each zone requires differing forms of governance. Data lakes promise speed and agility with regard to change management. Companies can quickly ingest new and ever larger sources of data and start working with the data. The tendency is to brush governance aside if it's viewed as something that will slow down agility. However, speed and agility are useless without trusted data. Governance will need to keep up with technology trends such as real-time streaming and rapid ingestion. This means that the cataloging process and the data quality monitoring processes need to fit within the fabric of data lake and cloud technology. Governance will remain proactive. For example, all data must be cataloged in the raw zone before moving to curation, but it will have to establish the second lines of defense, such as auto-detection of data ingested into the raw zone without having been cataloged in the acquisition process. What? Signal the alarms! Data governance, the people, process, and technology will need to keep up with the evolving changes in technology, and more importantly, in a manner that is non-invasive and capable of enabling proactive as well as fail-safe data governance in a rapidly changing environment. This is both science and art.